92.9. Here comes Tina on the International 240. See how it gets a hold of the tractor today. That is close. 92.7. Comes Bob on the old Oliver. Looked like his tires were grabbing a hold of that track. Still scratching down there. Still scratching. I'd say that's about his best hook all year. 123.5. Alright, I moved down a little bit on the track, so our vantage point is going to be a little bit different. Here we are, start of the 3750. Tony Manley on the 66. See how he gets a hold of it this time. Looks like he's scratching pretty good. Tony's distance, 108.11. Here comes Jamie on his Super 8. It's usually a really tough little tractor. Let's see how he gets a hold of it. We can see Tony's spin outs right here in front of me. He's not going to spin over, take out of the action. Oh, didn't get a hold of it. Jamie's distance, 85.7 on the Super H. Here comes Tina on the 240. I don't know why, but I got a feeling this little thing's about to pull its heart out. I just got a feeling. I'm going to call it. That's biting pretty good. Get over this little hump here. Go, go, go. Don't stop. Not bad. 92.84. Here's Max Sachs on his WD-45. Got right into Tina's spin outs there. Looks like he may have pulled it about an inch through them or so, 2 inches. Let's see. 93.11. Here comes Bob on his Oliver. He won the last class in a big way. Let's see how he comes back in this one. He's got his stuff lined up out of them spin outs for the last two. Right there at the hump, right on through we go. I think that was a good hook. 111.9. So here's a new one to the club. I don't believe I've seen pull yet. I think they recently bought us this spring at an auction, the way the story goes. see how it hooks. I bet if it doesn't run that good, that either way this kid has now got the itch. And the next time we see it, it'll be running a little bit different. Eat, girl, eat. I'd have let her go until she killed it. 65.8. Look at the paint on this thing. This is a really clean 8. Last puller in the class, I believe. Old Tony. On his Oliver. So this was the start of the 4,000. I thought we'd seen him pull once already. $111.5 for Tony. Here comes Larry Albrecht. He usually pulls a wide front Oliver that's been really tough, and he's been working on this one. And first time that he's had it out, I believe. He said he's got it running pretty good, and sure sounds like it. See how it does. All about how it grips the track, really. So far, he's got a hold of it. He's not stretching. Oh no. Nope. Wasn't scratching nearly like Tony was. Look at that thing. Oh boy. That's going to be a tough one to beat, guys. That's going to be a tough one. 147.10. Look at him. Tom's driving a pullback tractor, and it's his turn to pull. We get a video of him running to the dad's 15. All right, here we go. That 15 has been really hard to beat this year, but Larry just came with that Oliver 88, and boy, that thing's gonna be hard to beat. Let's put it that way. He's not scratching yet. That's good. He's in the high side. The engine's hanging in there. Front end is light, not quite off the ground, but light. Oh yeah. Go, little tractor, go! Go, little tractor, go! Wow, that's close. That is close. We'll see what the results say. 151.11. I can't remember what I said Larry pulled. We'll see after the hook. Get the packer out of the way. Here comes Jamie Corno on a Super 8. I couldn't wait. I had to go look at the results. Bob is 4 feet out ahead of Larry. Impressive. A little D15 pulling with a Oliver 88. Looks like he's getting a hold of it a little better this time too. Get over that hump. He's home. Oh yeah. He got the boat over. See how far he makes it down. Still scratching. Alright. Let's see what he got. 122.4 for Jamie. Here comes this H again. I believe that this thing is bone stock, and then Got a little bit of a miss there to it. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of the side there. It might have a little bit of excessive blow by. Could just be that it was sitting for quite a while and needs to be worked. For the paint job, you'd think the inside of the motor would be kind of fresh, but doesn't mean everything, I guess. That wasn't a bad hook for that little thing. 71.2. I got a feeling the next time we see that tractor, it's going to be pulling a little bit different. Comes Matt on his WD-45 again. See if we get a hold of the track a little bit better this time. Going a blazing 1 point. Oh, got her up to 2 miles an hour. Back down to 1.8. A little bit of tire scratch, a little bit of lug. Got a hold of it. We're only scratching a little bit, but this is not going to happen. That's 111. 112.3 that tractor pulled. She said it wrong. The 240 has some fuel delivery issues and it's getting pulled off of the track by the D15 right now. Unfortunately, we won't get to see that one pull again today. See how Bob does. Oh, he's got a hold of it. I think he might have beat him. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's close. I can't say for sure. I think he might have just won the class. Good hook. Nope. 148.1. Bob pulled 151. That little D15 is something else. Well, if you look down there, they got the little 240 back up and running, so she's going to give her another hook on the boat. I was wrong. Good to see, anyhow. Here it comes. It had a little bit of a miss there taking off, so we'll see how good it runs, but it's definitely got some fuel delivery issues going on, it sounds like. Seems to be par for the course for these old girls, at least once. A couple times a year, somebody has some fuel delivery issues. Unfortunately, this year it was Tina's. Be running pretty good though, actually. Not yet. 8. Oh yeah. Go, little tractor, go. Boy. 110 feet. 110. Uh-oh. Alright, here is the start of the 4,500 pound farm class. 3 miles per hour. Speed limit. What are we? We're 34 inches, hook point 34 inches from the center of the rear axle. And we are 18 inches high on that hook point. The heavier this thing gets, it's going to pull like an SOB. Oh yeah. Wow. Good hook. Finally did spin him out. We'll see if they keep it or gear the boat up. We'll see. 214.1 on that. Here comes Tony on his 66. See how this works out for him this time. Good hook. 176.4 for Tony. One thing I like to point out with this club is notice how they're constantly putting water down. Once it gets dried out, you just can't keep up to it with them little sprayers, and they're always putting water down. You can see the moisture in the track, the dust isn't kicking up. Just always makes for a better pull here when they well, better pull anywhere when they're putting water down like that. Let's put it that way. So here comes old Bob on the D15 diesel. So we didn't really know what gear to pull it in here because it's kind of iffy on the borderline. I told him to pull it in high, so he agreed with me, whether he was just agreeing because I said it or not. I guess I'll take the blame if he runs out of power on this one. We will see. Oh, he didn't put anything out front either. He's not scratching. Pull, little tractor, pull. No, don't go over there, little tractor. You might have. 174.1. Here comes Matt on his 8. He's been tweaking around with tire pressures, drawbar on this one. Said he's pretty happy with how he's getting her to hook up. So, see how he gets a hold of the track today. Ooh, it's a lugging away. Seems to be hooked up pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's close. That's close. Matt pulled 177. I believe that gives him the second place. We'll see what the sheet says after the hook. Here comes Bob on this Oliver one last time. I think Tom should have had a couple more weights out front. Probably would have helped out. And possibly, once it got the front end up down there, it pretty much fell on its face. It was going to die. So low side might have helped him there too. So we'll see what happens coming around 500 pounds heavier. I see him putting some weights on the front end down there. Pull the low side, see what happens. Right down through there he goes. Oh, of course, my phone cuts off. That's another close one, I think. I think they might have just knocked Bob out of placement in that thing, though. It's the first time that's happened since I've been pulling it. What the hell, Bob? Alright, we didn't catch what Bob pulled. Had a problem with the PA system, but there'll be a picture after the class so you guys can check it out. Comes Jamie on the Super H again. Every once in a while, just see air up underneath the front tires, but right now it's floating about perfect. 145.11. Well, we had a casualty of a tent, and it is starting to rain, so I got a feeling we're about to have to call it, unfortunately. They're still pulling. Here's the start of the 5,000 pound class. Alright, terrible footage coming out on the track with this thing. It's really starting to come down here, unfortunately. I think we're definitely going to get rained out. We had a 30% chance, and this is what we got. Alright, normal fuller fashion, we're going to go until the track is a mud pit. Play. It might blow past, I don't know. I'm actually kind of starting to wonder. I don't think it's gonna. Look at the rain coming down in the screen there. It is, that's the direction it's coming, and there's a good wave of water coming at us. So. Track's getting about turned into a slick. Ladies are packing up. I think I need to do the same thing. Well, that's how this has turned out. We're hiding in the pickup, you see. Justin and Tina hiding in the shed there. The 15's at the trailer. That's about all I got, though. It's coming down pretty good. So I got some footage for you guys. I hope you enjoyed what we did get. I changed the pressure in the 17 and was looking forward to seeing how those tires would hook up, but yeah, didn't get to let that happen. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.